So now all that's dry, next thing to do is put on the sound deadening, which is I got from Vandalized. And we got the Matte Pro. We got 40 sheets, 10 in each box, and they're 200mm by 250mm. So these are the mats. You just peel back this bit and stick that directly onto the wall. So on this piece of wall, I'm literally going to put one in each of them. So it says to only cover 60% of the panel, but since I have 40, I've gone a bit overkill. I will put another one here once I filled in these holes. And I've also done the roof as well. One on the doors, and then I'm going to take these off, put one in there, one in there. I'm unsure about this window, because I will eventually put a window in there. And I'll take that off and put a couple in there. But that's enough for today.